Welcome guys to this video, and if you also face minor frame drops and lags while gaming on your PC, then this video is for you. Let's begin the tutorial. So the first step which we are gonna do is editing some registry files. Press Windows plus R, then type regedit, then press enter, press continue, and you will see this interface. Here you have to click on HKey current user, then click on system, then click on game config store. Then on the right hand side you will see some values. Here you will find game DVR enabled. Right click on it and click on modify. Then here whatever the value is, just erase it and type 0 and press enter. Now here you will find another file named as FSE behavior mode. Right click on it and click on modify. Now you have to change this value to 2 and click on OK. Now you are all done with this step. Now close all the files on the left hand side which we recently opened. Click on HKey local machine, then click on software, then click on Microsoft, then scroll down to policy manager. Now expand the panel. Now click on default. Now here you have to click on application management. Now you have to click on allow game DVR. Now here you will find a file called value. Right click on it and click modify. Then you have to change this value to 0 and then press OK, and you are all done with the first method. Now let's move to the second method. In this method we will simply delete some temporary files which our PC do not require, but still they take up space on our system. Click Ctrl plus R, then type prefetch and then press OK, then press continue. Now here you can just select all the files and press shift plus delete. That will delete the files permanently. You can just skip the files which are not getting deleted. Now again press Windows plus R and type temp and press OK. Now again you can just delete all these files. These are just temporary files, and skip the files which are not getting deleted. Now for the last time press Windows plus R and type %temp% and click OK. Now here delete all the files and skip the files which are not getting deleted, and you are all done with deleting the temporary files. Now let's move on to the next step. Click on the start button, then click on settings, then click on the gaming. Then all you have to do is turn off the game bar by just clicking on it. Mine is already off. Now on the right hand side click on graphic settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU is turned on. Now here you have to manually add your game. Click on browse. Then wherever your game is installed, just open the folder and click on the exe file, then click on add. Now click on your game, click on options. Now here by default it will be selected on let window decide, but you have to click on high performance, click OK. Then you are all done with this step. Now let's move on to the next step. In this step we are going to turn on the ultimate performance. Click on start, then type CMD, then right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click yes. Now here you have to type a code. I have mentioned the code in the description, so you can just copy paste. Now press enter. Now as you can see, my ultimate performance has been enabled. Now to activate the ultimate performance, first of all you have to restart your PC in order to make it visible. After restarting your PC, go to search and type power plan. Now click on it. Now wait for it to open. Now as you can see, I have an ultimate performance option, so just click on it and you are done with this step. So let's move to the next step. Now the next two methods are only limited for the people who use Nvidia graphic card. So if you use any other graphic card or do not have any graphic card, then skip the video to the timeline mentioned on the screen. Now first of all, open your GeForce Experience app. Now you have to click on drivers, and on the drivers panel make sure you don't have any update pending. If you do have, then click on download. Now it will download the driver depending on your internet speed, so just wait for it to download. Now once the download is completed, click on Express installation, then click on yes, and it will just install the drivers. And this step is done. Let's move to the next step. Now right click on your desktop, then click on Nvidia control panel and wait for it to open. Now once it is open, then you have to click on manage 3D settings. Now click on program settings. Now here you have to add your game manually, so just select a game from here. Now once it is added, go to global settings, and now you can just copy all of my settings. Once you are done, just click on apply. Now click on adjust image settings. Here you have to click on use my preference, then move it to performance. Then hit apply. Now click on configure surround. Now here you just have to select your Nvidia graphic card in the processor menu, then hit apply, and you are done with this step. Now let's move to the last step of this video. Now right click on your game. Now click properties. Now go to compatibility. Now just make sure that these two boxes are checked: disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. Now click apply, then press OK. Then open your game. Now once your game is open, go to the in-game graphic options. Now here just make sure that all these settings are set to the minimum. Press Ctrl plus escape, then right click on the taskbar, then click on task manager. Now here you have to right click on your game, then click on go to details, then right click on your game, then select set priority and then set high. Click continue, then right click on it, then set affinity and make sure all the threads are enabled. And you are done with all the steps. Now make sure to restart your PC once, and it will immediately give you 10 to 15 FPS boost and fix all the frame drops. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like, and if you want to see more such gaming related content, then make sure to subscribe. Meet you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe.